Guys, so we know that the prices of memory are out of control. So let me explain you how bad it is. So I got this G-Skill 128 gigabyte kit December 1st. I paid $899.99 for this, and believe me, I was really grieving because that was a lot of money for this much memory. But fast forward to February 27, hold on to your chair. The same thing is $2,499.99. So since December 1st, we're talking about 277% increase. If this was the price when I'll be buying, there's no way I can do this. No way. It's absolutely crazy what's going on. And let me tell you my opinion on this, okay? I don't agree with this at all. Because think about it. Companies have to deal with businesses and consumers, like me and you. Just because some vendors opt out just to deal with businesses created a shortage, which I don't think is correct, because we are basically getting screwed. Like, me and you don't matter as much, which never happened before, in my opinion. So imagine like if there was a one distributor of tomatoes, right? And suddenly the distributor says, okay, I'm not going to sell tomatoes to public, just one or two restaurants, right? So what would end up happening? Me and you will pay a lot more money for tomatoes, which I don't think is correct. So I know you want to deal with businesses, but you have to set aside an amount, a percentage that is constant for the consumer base, you know. Creating shortages is not good for anybody. So this is really outrageous, and basically making a new PC is becoming out of reach. For me it is, because if I would be building a PC right now, I don't think I can do it. I would probably rely on cheaper parts or used parts. So it's really, really, really bad.